Hi, welcome to all viewers. Let us study about the calculation of oxidation numbers. We have already discussed the redox reaction in last chapter. So, this is the most important part to find out the oxidation number, to identify which one undergoes oxidation and which one undergoes reduction, and find out the oxidant and reductant in a chemical reaction. गोटे chemical reaction रे यदि oxidant कि reductant find out करबा को चाहूछु सेतरे oxidation number रो rule the most important. Okay, so how can you find out the oxidation number? First you know that what is oxidation number. What is oxidation number? Oxidation number mean the total number of electron lose or gain by an atom in order to form bond with other atom, or you may be write that the residual charge of an atom, that is called oxidation number. Means a atom lose or gain to form the bond. Suppose in water molecule here is we find out the oxidation number of oxygen. We find out the oxidation number of oxygen. Mean here is hydrogen make bond with the oxygen. Here is also hydrogen make bond with the oxygen. You know that this bond is purely covalent bond because one electron of hydrogen and one electron of oxygen makes share. आंको भीतर गोटे शेयर है कि कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड है ची. तो मोर डेफिनेशन कहूँ कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ लूज और गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो हियर इज द शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, बट हियर इज ए पोलर बॉन्ड. ऑक्सीजन हैज द मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव वैल्यू, मींस इट्स इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव वैल्यू इज 3.5, इट्स इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव वैल्यू इज 2.15. So as it is the more electronegative value, the electron pair displaced toward the oxygen atom. एटी इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर टा क्या को डिस्प्लेस होची ना ऑक्सीजन एटम. When this bond will break, then the electron of hydrogen taken by the oxygen. ये आर इलेक्ट्रॉन टा को किए नहीं जाउची ऑक्सीजन नहीं जाउची. As the one electron takes from the hydrogen, so its oxidation number is -1. And here is also one electron takes from the hydrogen, so its oxidation number is also -n. The total oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Here is the covalent bond, but according to the polar in nature, the electron always displaced toward the more electronegative atom. You know the highest electronegative is fluorine is 4.0, then oxygen 3.5, then chlorine and nitrogen and chlorine both are 3.0, like that. The electron always moves toward the more electronegative atom. जे पटरे इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव वैल्यू अधिक थिबो से पट को इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्प्लेस हो जिवो. और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन जदि गेन कला माइनस, जदि लूज कला प्लस, देन हाइड्रोजन गेट प्लस ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर एंड ऑक्सीजन गेट माइनस ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. Like that in a H2SO4. So H2SO4 means the sulfur make bond with 4 oxygen and 2 hydrogen, and hydrogen always make bond with the oxygen, so it's one electron make a bonds, and electron of hydrogen atom, one electron of hydrogen atom make one bond. Then one electron of oxygen and one electron of sulfur make a covalent bond. One electron of oxygen, one electron of sulfur make covalent bond. Then this oxygen get octet state, this oxygen also get octet state. Then here is 2 lone pair electron, and the oxygen has 6 electron in their valence shell, so that this lone pair electron make the bond with the coordinate bond with the oxygen. So if this bond will break, then hydrogen get +1, oxygen get -1, and this bond, as oxygen has more electronegative value, so oxygen get -1 and sulfur get +1. देखो जो ये बॉन्ड भांगुची जेहेतु ऑक्सीजन रो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव वैल्यू अधिक अच्छी, तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शिफ्ट कर जीवो ऑक्सीजन आड़, सो इट गेट -1, सल्फर गेट +1, लाइक दैट हियर H get +1 and oxygen get -1, and when this bond will break, then oxygen get -1, sulfur get +1, and here is the oxidation. As 2 electron moves toward the oxygen, so it get -2, sulfur get +2. Here is also 2 electron of sulfur moves toward the oxygen, so sulfur get +2. So total oxidation number of sulfur is +6, and oxygen is -2, hydrogen is +1. This is the oxidation number calculated by Lewis method. Suppose you find out the Cl2. Cl2 means that is in completely in non-polar bond. Mean one electron of chlorine and another electron of chlorine make the covalent bond. But when this bond will break down, both are the same equivalent electronegative value. So one electron goes toward this, one electron goes toward this. So each atom get their own electrons. So its oxidation number is 0. There is some rule to calculate the oxidation number. बहुत गुटे rule अच्छी, तो oxidation number calculation करिया पे से process very easy. But के Lewis structure where जदि तुम oxidation number calculate करछो, that is 100% true. बट जदि रूल रे जाउछ, इन सम एक्सेप्शन केस आसी जियो। मु बहुत हारे करिक देखौछु, तुम तो एबटे करिक देखैली केबटे इन द Lewis method. Then we go to rules. Some rule to find out the oxidation number. Rule 1. Oxidation number of the atom in elementary state is 0. यदि कौन सी एलिमेंटरी स्टेट थी, सपोज लाइक Na+, तो इट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज 0. Fe, इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज 0. ऑल द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ एटम इन एलिमेंटरी स्टेट इज 0. Then oxidation number of monoatomic ion is equal to their charge. When suppose Na+, its charge is +1, it is monoatomic, so its oxidation number is +1. Suppose K+, it is monoatomic ion, its oxidation number is +1. Suppose Mg2+, it is monoatomic ion, its oxidation number is +2. Suppose Cl-, its oxidation number is -1. Oxidation number of polyatomic ion, the sum of the oxidation number of each atom in a polyatomic ion is equal to its charge. Means suppose SO4 2-, SO4 2 minus mean the oxidation number of sulfur plus oxidation number of 4 oxygen atom. Suppose oxidation number of oxygen atom is Y, then 4Y equal to minus 2. Suppose oxidation number of NH4 plus mean the oxidation number of nitrogen plus oxidation number of hydrogen equal to plus 1. And the sum of the oxidation number of each atom is equal to their charge. The sum of oxidation number of each atom in a neutral molecule is 0. Neutral molecule means the molecule which do not have any charge. Suppose H2O means the oxidation number of H plus oxidation number of O equal to 0. Suppose K2Cr2O7, that means oxidation number of K2 means 2K atom plus oxidation number of 2 chromium atom plus oxidation number of 7 oxygen atom is equal to 0 because it is the neutral molecules. All the elementary state, that is the 0. Oxidation number of hydrogen atom always taken as oxidation number of hydrogen atom always taken as plus 1 except in hydride form. यदि हाइड्राइड फॉर्म था से ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज -1 मीन सपोज NaH sodium hydride, here is hydrogen oxidation number is -1, but in all other case the oxidation number of hydrogen always taken as +1. Like that oxidation number of oxygen generally taken as -2, but in case of peroxide it is taken as -1. In case of O2F2 it taken as +2, like that. But O2F2 OF4 that is taken as the plus oxidation number, but generally taken as -2. In peroxide it taken as -1 because suppose in H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, what is its Lewis structure? OOH. This bond is purely non-polar because this electronegative value of oxygen and electronegative value of this oxygen are same. So when this bond will break, it get +0, it get +0 because one electron goes to this, one electron goes to this. एटी कहार इलेक्ट्रॉन कहा पाको आसुना तो से एटी 0, बट जब ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक डाउन हो तो हाइड्रोजन रो इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन पाको डिस्प्लेस हो ड्यू टू मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, सो इट गेट -1, इट गेट +1, and this when this bond it get +1, this get -1, so the oxidation number of oxygen is -1 in peroxide form. Oxidation number of fluorine, oxidation number of fluorine always taken as -1, always taken as -1, and other halogen generally taken as -1, but in case of interhalogen compound, mean when it make the compound with fluorine IF7, IF4, interhalogen compound, it taken as +1. This is the rule. Now we give some example. How can you find out the oxidation number by using the rule? Okay. Suppose we find out the oxidation number of manganese. Oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 minus. When we find out the oxidation number of Mn, that is the unknown part. Let the oxidation number of Mn is X, and we know that oxidation number of oxygen generally taken as -2. Here is 4 oxygen number, 4 oxygen atom. So 4 into -2. Then we say that the sum of the oxidation number of each atom in an ion is equal to its charge. So equal to -1. So X -8 equal to -1. X equal to -1 plus 8, that is equal to 7. Suppose we find out the oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7. Then what is the oxidation number of K? We know that the ionic form is K plus, and alkali metal also always taken as the +1. So here is 2 number of potassium. So 2 into 1. The oxidation number of chromium is unknown, so we taken as X. Here is 2 chromium atom, so that 2X. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Here is 7 number of oxygen atom, so 7 into -2, that is -14, equal to, as it in molecular form in neutral molecules, the sum of the oxidation number is equal to 0. So that 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0, 2x minus 12 equal to 0, 2x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 2, 6. Suppose we find out the H2SO4, find out the oxidation number of sulfur. We know that the oxidation number of hydrogen is +1, so here is 2 hydrogen atoms, so we take +2, 2. We don't know the oxidation number of sulfur, that's why we take X, plus oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Here is 4 number of oxygen atom, that's why 4 into -2 -8. As it in molecular form, total is 0. So that X minus 6 equal to 0, X equal to +6. This is the way of the find out the oxidation number in a through rules, by using the rules. But in some cases, by using this rule, that may be chance to incorrect oxidation number. For example, H2S2O7, disulfuric acid. H2S2 was, this is the most important part in the entrance, most important part, because maximum student follow this rule. Okay, but this is the exception case. Suppose in the disulfuric acid, if we go through the formula, here is +2, because oxidation number of hydrogen is +1, here is 2 number of hydrogen, so +2, and so oxidation number of sulfur is unknown, that's why you take X, 2 number of 2X, here is -2, here is oxidation number is -2, here is 7 number of atoms, so -14 equal to 0, mean 2x minus 12 equal to 0, 2x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 2, 6. But this is the by method of rule, method of the rule. But if you go to the Lewis structure, here is sulfur, here is sulfur. Two sulfur atoms make with the 7 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen. It make the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oxygen. Here is 2 lone pair electron make the double bond. Here is also double bond. Here is also double bond. Here is also double bond. Here is single bond. Then when this bond break, this get minus plus 1, oxygen get minus 1. When this bond, as it polar, same atom, same electronegative value, it's 0, it's 0. When this bond break down, then one atom goes to this minus 1, sulfur get plus 1. This oxygen get, as 2 electron goes toward the oxygen, जेहेतु 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन एफेक्ट को जाउछु तो ये पाउछु -2, सल्फर पाउछु +2. एठु जेहेतु 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन सल्फर रु आसेछि तो ऑक्सीजन का पाउछि -2, सल्फर पाउछि +2. when this bond break down, sulfur get 0, this sulfur get also 0, because the same atom. Like that here is -2, here is +2, because 2 electron goes toward the oxygen due to more electronegative value. When this bond, this get -1, this get +1, this get +2, the oxygen get -2, like +1, -1. Then the sulfur, oxidation number of sulfur +2, +2, +1, that is +5. Here is also +2, +2, +1, that is +5. But when you calculate through the rule, that is 6. But here is +5. This one is the correct. This one is the wrong. So if you go through the Lewis structure, there is the 100% correct. Okay. Given another example. Suppose sodium pyrosulfate. Sodium pyrosulfate. Na2S2O7. So Na का oxidation number, Na oxidation number अच्छी +1, 2 number of oxygen, so that +2, sulfur unknown, that is +2x minus 14 equal to 0. Then 2x minus 12 equal to 0. 2x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 2. Like that 6. But Na2S2O7 mean just like that. Here is only just Na, mean S, O, Na. Here is Na. As is this bond is the main region. When this bond break, this will get +0, this also get +0. Then otherwise my sulfur get +5 instead of 6. So this is the galat. It is भूल अच्छी एपट आसले तो ठीक पाए. तो मैक्सिमम जदि एंट्रांस लेवल क्वेश्चन अच्छी निश्चित कि तुमको लुईस थ्रो रे जीवा पड़ो देन तुम कॉन्फिडेंट आंसर पाइब. ओके, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट प्रोसेस टू कैलकुलेट द oxidation numbers. Okay, the student who are not appear in my last class, we have already give the link in my description, then you can see it. Okay, thank you.